Hello, and welcome to tonight's Space Sleep story. If you appreciate what we do here, please like or subscribe for future relaxing nighttime space journeys. Tonight we step onto Mercury's surface after our precise landing, the culmination of our sunward trilogy. We walk on the innermost planet, observe the enormous sun, cross from eternal light into eternal shadow, and core ancient ice preserved for billions of years. So settle into your most comfortable position, close your eyes, and prepare for exploration of solar system's smallest world. Before we begin, let us prepare your body and mind with gentle breathing. Take a slow, deep breath with me now. Inhale gently for 4 counts. Hold the peace. Exhale for 6. Feel your body releasing into stillness. With each breath, you become more present, more relaxed, more ready to explore Mercury's ancient surface. Let the day's concerns drift away like dust on solar wind. Another gentle breath as we continue our preparation. This time, notice how your chest rises and falls, smooth and rhythmic, like orbital mechanics. Let my voice be your guide. Hold this peaceful moment. Feel the stress leaving your body with each exhale. We are about to experience what no human has witnessed. Walking on Mercury after 2.5 years of patient travel. Your breath connects you to this moment, to this achievement. "18 hours after landing, we have rested, checked systems, and prepared equipment. Now the airlock cycles down to match Mercury's near-vacuum exosphere. Pressure gauge reads 0. External temperature 30 degrees Celsius at our polar rim site, manageable with suit thermal control. We don spacesuits enhanced beyond lunar EVA design, gold-coated visors filtering the sun's 6.7 times normal intensity, active cooling systems maintaining 21 degrees interior temperature. Helmet lights ready for shadowed regions. Communications check nominal. We are ready for humanity's first Mercurian EVA. The hatch swings outward, and brilliant sunlight floods the airlock, filtered through our gold visors to tolerable amber glow. The view stops breath. Gray-tan cratered surface extending to a horizon curving sharply away just 2.48 kilometers distant. Sun, enormous, and low on the horizon in eternal near sunset at this polar latitude, appears 2.8 times larger in diameter than from Earth. Shadows absolutely sharp with no atmospheric softening, every crater rim precisely defined. Stars visible despite daylight, the Milky Way a faint band across black sky. Venus brilliant near the sun. No Earth visible. We are on the sun's far side. Climbing down the lander ladder, 4 rungs, 2 meters descent to surface. Boot touches regolith, first human contact with Mercury. Neil Armstrong's words echo across 56 years. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Today, similar words, First human step on Mercury, fourth world humans have walked upon. The surface is fine powder, gray color, holds boot prints clearly showing tread pattern. Bearing strength excellent, no sinking. Mercury's ancient soil, undisturbed for 4 billion years except by micrometeorites, now supporting first human weight. History written in regolith. Mercury's gravity, 3.71 meters per second squared, 0.38 g, identical to Mars, feels substantial after 2.5 years mostly weightless. Down is unmistakable. Jumping requires effort, not effortless like microgravity. But landing is gentle, as 38% of Earth weight absorbs easily through legs. A bouncing gait develops naturally, similar to Apollo lunar surface locomotion. Each step lifts higher, hangs longer, settles softer than on Earth. Movement feels graceful, efficient, perfectly adapted to this small world's pull. Low gravity gift after years of weightlessness. Sun dominates sky. Cannot look directly, even through visor filters. Heat intense on sun-facing side of suit. Cooling system working steadily, maintaining comfortable interior. Shadow side cool. Temperature differential across suit exterior 100 degrees Celsius, but inside remains perfect 21 degrees. Engineering protecting us flawlessly from extreme environment. Horizon visibility reveals Mercury's small size. Standing here feels like standing on large asteroid more than planet. Curvature visible in all directions. Surface drops away noticeably. We see 2.48 kilometers to horizon, similar to Moon's 2.43. Intimate planetary scale. Stars visible during Mercury's day. Unique characteristic of airless worlds. The exosphere provides essentially zero atmospheric scattering at 10 to the negative 15th bar surface pressure. Through helmet visor, we identify Venus, brilliant point near Sun. Mars, fainter, reddish. Earth, somewhere on far side of Sun, invisible from here. Most isolated humans in history. No home planet in sky to anchor us emotionally. Just the star that sustains all life, seen from closest planetary vantage point. Sun and stars and Mercury. Sufficient company for exploration. We need nothing else. Walking across regolith toward crater rim observation point. Dust kicked by boots drifts outward in perfect ballistic parabolas and settles quickly with no atmospheric suspension. Each step leaves clear boot print in fine powder. Surface feels firm with 10 to 15 kilopascals bearing strength adequate for humans and equipment. The regolith is dark gray with subtle tan tones, different from Moon's stark gray or Mars's red. Ancient weathered appearance, micrometeorite sandblasting over billions of years creating smooth texture on exposed rocks. Dust electrostatically charged by solar wind clings to suit surfaces, gloves, equipment. No moisture to clump particles. Craters everywhere, in every direction, every size. Small craters, 10 centimeters diameter from secondary impacts. Medium craters, 10 meters from ancient primaries. Large craters, kilometers across, visible as curved depressions extending to horizon. This surface has absorbed 4 billion years of solar system debris. Every impact preserved, with no erosion except slow micrometeorite gardening. Overlapping patterns showing bombardment history. Some crater floors smooth with dust fill, others boulder-strewn and rough. Walking through geological archive, each crater telling story millions of years old. Mercury remembers everything. Reaching elevated crater rim 200 meters above surrounding plains, view extends 8 kilometers to horizon from this height. From here, Mercury's curvature obvious, cratered terrain extending to horizon in all directions. Sun hangs low, taking 2,000 Earth hours to move from east horizon to west horizon due to Mercury's 3-2 spin-orbit resonance. One solar day is 176 Earth days long, sunrise to sunrise. We are in permanent near-sunset lighting at this polar latitude. The sun will barely move during our 30-day surface stay, circling horizon slowly. Eugene Cernan's words from Apollo 17 resonate. As a geologist, I could spend years here and just scratch the surface. Every rock has a story millions of years old. Surface exploration reveals secrets orbital observation misses. Messenger orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, mapped every square kilometer, identified features and composition. But standing here, holding rocks, examining textures, coring regolith, we discover layering and details no orbital sensor detects. Human and robotic exploration complement each other. Robots scout, humans investigate deeply. Both essential. Walking toward linear cliff, cutting across landscape, a lobate scarp formed by planetary contraction. From distance appears as straight line bisecting terrain. Up close, 2-kilometer-high wall rising abruptly, surface fractured at base, evidence of crustal compression. This cliff formed when Mercury's interior cooled and contracted. Entire planet shrank 14 kilometers in diameter over 4 billion years, 7-kilometer radius reduction. Iron core occupies 61% of planetary radius, higher fraction than any other planet. Standing at base of continental scale wrinkle in Mercury's skin. Planetary shrinkage frozen in stone. Surface appears seismically quiet, absolutely still except for thermal expansion and contraction of regolith as we approach terminator regions. Occasional cracking sounds as rocks adjust to temperature changes. No moonquakes detected by orbital seismometers, minimal tectonic activity. Mercury is ancient and stable. Major geological processes completed billions of years ago. No plate tectonics, no volcanic activity in recent epochs, just slow thermal evolution and constant micrometeorite bombardment. The stillness is profound, a world at peace after violent youth. We are visitors to Museum of Early Solar System, everything preserved. Encountering bright, irregular depressions, surface hollows, unique to Mercury. From orbit, MESSENGER identified thousands. From surface, we see fresh edges, bright walls, darker floors. David Blewett, imaging scientist, explained, "Hollows may be actively forming through sublimation of sulfides exposed to solar radiation. Volatile-bearing minerals buried in ancient crust, exposed by impacts, vaporize under intense sunlight, leaving shallow, irregular pits with crisp boundaries." If true, Mercury is not geologically dead, despite 4-billion-year-old surface. Active processes occurring today. We could monitor hollow growth, measure sublimation rates, understand continuing evolution. Deploying coring tool to extract regolith sample 50 centimeters deep. Layers visible in core tube, showing stratification from millions of years of micrometeorite deposition and impact gardening. Analysis reveals composition distinctly different from Moon. 7% iron by weight compared to lunar 12%, 28% magnesium versus lunar 6%, 4% sulfur versus lunar 0.1%. Mercury formed from different starting materials in inner solar nebula, or lost lighter elements during violent early history. Possibly giant impact stripped silicate mantle, leaving iron-rich core exposed. Each sample teaches planetary formation. Mercury's chemistry holds clues to solar system birth. Boulder field from ancient impact. House-sized rocks ejected centuries ago. Surfaces sand-blasted smooth by micrometeorite impacts. Composition reveals subsurface structure. Low iron, high magnesium silicates, higher sulfur than lunar rocks. One boulder shows orange mineral patches, totally unexpected. Similar to Apollo 17's orange soil discovery that revealed ancient volcanic fire fountain deposits. Mercury still surprises us. Every surface exploration from Apollo to Mars rovers to this Mercurian EVA teaches same lesson. Planetary surfaces hide complexity orbital observation cannot detect. You must touch ground to know world. Presence reveals truth. Now 5-kilometer traverse from landing site toward permanently shadowed crater Chao-Meng-Fu interior begins. Temperature dropping as we descend from rim peak. 30 degrees Celsius at start, now 10 degrees, soon 0 as we approach shadow boundary. Suit heaters compensating automatically, maintaining interior comfort. We carry helmet-mounted lights. Permanent shadow is absolute darkness. No scattered sunlight penetrates where sun has never shone. This journey crosses from eternal light into eternal night, from heat into cold, preserved since solar system formation. Shadow boundary ahead marks division between two different worlds occupying same crater. Light and dark. Here, boundary between eternal light and eternal shadow. One step in sunlight, next step in absolute darkness. No twilight, no gradual transition, just edge. Behind us, sun, bright surface, familiar thermal environment. Ahead, Darkness that has not known sunlight in 2 billion years. -170 degrees Celsius cold. Ice preserved since solar system formation. Crossing into permanent shadow feels like entering tomb. Ancient, cold, utterly still. Suit lights illuminate dust, rocks, crater floor extending into darkness. Temperature now -50 degrees exterior. Suit heaters at maximum. Interior remains 21 degrees. We are comfortable. Environment is most hostile humans will physically enter, except Venus' surface. But engineering makes it safe exploration, not dangerous passage. Spacesuits validated by 60 years of EVA heritage, from Alexei Leonov's first spacewalk 1965 through hundreds of ISS EVAs to lunar Artemis missions. Thermal protection systems, life support, communications, all proven technology adapted to Mercury's extremes. We trust engineering completely. Systems functioning nominally. Temperature control perfect. Oxygen flow steady. Carbon dioxide scrubbing efficient. We explore in comfort. Technology extends human reach. There, white patches on crater floor. Water ice exposed. Most ice covered by dark organic layer, 10 to 30 centimeters thick, protecting ice from sublimation. Here, pure ice exposed, probably by small meteorite impact removing protective layer. Under suit lights, brilliant white surface against dark regolith. Billion tons of water ice preserved in this single crater. Hundreds of such craters at Mercury's poles, holding estimated 100 billion to 1 trillion metric tons total. Ice discovered by radar in 1991, confirmed by Messenger Neutron Spectrometer 2012. Now we see it directly. Touch it. Core it. Deploying drill for 2-meter core extraction. Mercury's 0.38 G makes drilling easier than Earth. Core coming up. Layers visible. White ice layers, pure water. Dark layers, organic rich material from cometary impacts. Repeating pattern. Each layer represents deposition event millions or billions years ago. Nancy Chabot, messenger scientist, explained, "Ice cores from Mercury would be like Antarctic ice cores, but billions of years old instead of millions. Layering tells history. When comets impacted, what composition they carried, how solar system evolved. This core is time capsule, reading history of inner solar system volatile delivery. Archive waiting billions of years to be read." Ice isotope analysis shows deuterium to hydrogen ratio matching comets. Water originated in outer solar system, delivered by impactors. Age potentially 3.5 billion years old, preserved in -170-degree environment. Thickness here 3 meters based on ground-penetrating radar. Total deposit estimated 10 meters average depth. This crater alone contains 10 billion metric tons water ice. Enough for human outpost for centuries. 3 liters per person daily for drinking. 1 kilogram oxygen per person daily via electrolysis. Hydrogen propellant for return launch manufactured on Mercury. Ice enables everything. Transforms destination into outpost. Sample collected. Core sealed for return to Earth. Now exiting permanent shadow. Light appears ahead. Temperature rising -170 to -100 to -50 to 0 to 20 degrees Celsius over 500 meters. Emerging into sunlight. Brilliant, warm, familiar. Behind us, eternal night we have briefly penetrated, sampled, understood. Ahead, landing site 5 kilometers away, waiting for return. We carry proof of ancient ice, confirmation of resource enabling future Mercury bases. Mission objectives accomplished. Science productive. Exploration successful. Achievement complete. Walking back across cratered surface, boot prints trail behind will remain undisturbed for millions of years. No wind, no weather, just slow micrometeorite erosion. Every step we take writes human history into Mercury's surface. Apollo 12 astronauts visited Surveyor 3 lander 1969, found it unchanged after 31 months on lunar surface. Our boot prints will persist far longer. First human marks on innermost planet, preserved in geological timescale. Evidence that humans reached here, walked here, explored here. Long after we are gone, prints remain. Patient witnesses. From elevated vantage point, Caloris Basin visible as distant smooth plain, 1,550 kilometers diameter. Basin formed 3.9 billion years ago. Asteroid over 100 kilometers diameter impacted with energy equivalent to trillion nuclear weapons. Crater so large, it affected opposite side of planet. Seismic waves converged at antipodal point, creating weird terrain of jumbled hills and valleys. Today, smooth volcanic plains fill basin interior, multiple concentric rings, testimony to most violent event this world experienced. From here, just subtle curvature of distant plane. From orbit, dominant feature. Perspective changes everything. Observing sun through heavily filtered telescope. From Mercury's 0.38 AU distance, solar features visible in detail impossible from Earth. Sunspots, prominences, coronal structures. Mercury is solar observatory platform. Proximity enables resolution Earth telescopes cannot achieve. Future permanent Mercury base could monitor sun continuously, providing early warning of solar storms threatening Earth. Studying solar magnetic fields, tracking coronal mass ejections, understanding stellar physics. Mercury location is strategic asset. Closest planetary approach to our star. Unique scientific vantage. Sunward sentinel. Deploying portable magnetometer. Mercury's magnetic field detectable at surface, 300 nanoteslas, only 1% of Earth's 31,000 nanotesla strength, but present. Field lines clearly offset northward, asymmetric. Northern hemisphere stronger than southern. Indicates liquid outer core still convecting, despite Mercury's small size. This tiny planet defies theory. Should not have molten core after 4.5 billion years. Core should have frozen solid. But magnetic field proves it remains partially molten. Mercury keeps secrets our models cannot explain. Mysteries persist. Small world, large questions. Mercury rotation, 58.646 Earth days per turn. Solar day, 176 Earth days, sunrise to sunrise, due to 3:2 spin-orbit resonance. From this polar site, Sun circles horizon slowly, 0.09 degrees per Earth hour. We will observe it move 7 degrees during our 30-day surface stay. Barely perceptible daily, obvious over weeks. Patience reveals motion. Time measured in planetary rhythms. We synchronize to Mercury's ancient cadence. Slow dance with sun. Returning to lander now. Structure visible ahead against low sun. Safe haven on extreme world. Home for 30-day surface stay. Climbing ladder back to airlock. EVA complete after 8 hours outside. Samples collected. Ice core, rock samples, regolith tubes. Data recorded. Temperature profiles, magnetic field readings, photographic documentation. Observations made. Hollow characteristics, scarp structure, regolith properties. Mission objectives exceeded. Science accomplished. Crew safe. Engineering performed flawlessly. Success on all metrics. Achievement earned through preparation. Inside lander. Suit doffing. Meal preparation. System checks. Tomorrow another EVA. More sampling. Different region. We have 30 days on Mercury surface before return launch to orbital habitat, then 2.5-year journey home. But tonight, rest. Crew securing samples in storage, reviewing data files, preparing for next day's operations. Outside viewport, cratered surface extends to curved horizon. Sun hangs enormous and low. Shadows stretch across ancient regolith. Inside, comfortable 21 degrees, life support humming quietly. 0.38 G providing gentle weight. Earth somewhere on far side of sun. Mission successful. Science productive. Crew safe. Mercury explored. Tomorrow continues. More EVAs, more samples, more observations. But tonight, peaceful rest on innermost planet. earned through 2.5 years' patience and preparation. We are exactly where we meant to be, on Mercury's surface, beneath enormous sun, standing where no one has stood before. First humans on smallest planet. Buzz Aldrin on Moon described magnificent desolation. Mercury offers even more extreme desolation. No Earth in sky, just sun and stars. Ancient surface untouched for billions of years. Smallest planet at innermost frontier. Ultimate isolation. Yet we are not alone. We have each other. We have mission. We have purpose. Isolation becomes solitude. Three episodes, one journey. Episode 35. 2.5 years traveling sunward. Episode 36. Orbital insertion, powered descent, landing on polar rim. Episode 37. Walking surface, collecting samples, visiting ice in eternal shadow. Journey inward complete. Landing achieved. Exploration successful. We stand on Mercury. Mission architecture worked exactly as designed. Trilogy resolved. Messenger orbited here 2011 to 2015. Bepi Colombo orbits now. Today, humans walked here. Tomorrow, others will follow. Establishing bases near ice deposits, mining resources, studying sun from unique platform, preparing missions deeper into inner solar system. Mercury was first step inward. Future steps await. Expansion continues. Mercury was overlooked for decades. Always in sun's glare, difficult to reach, seemingly barren. Today we know better. Ice in shadows, hollows forming, liquid core convecting, magnetic field deflecting solar wind, ancient surface preserving solar system history. Mercury is not barren. It is archive, laboratory, opportunity. Smallest planet holds vast lessons. Innermost world reveals distant secrets. Most extreme surface welcomes careful preparation. Mercury keeps watch at sun's edge. First planet, guardian of inner realm. Now briefly home to humanity's most sunward explorers. We rest here tonight. Comfortable, safe, satisfied. Mission success brings peace. Outside viewport. Mercury's surface glows amber under low sun. Craters extend to horizon. Boot prints visible near lander. Human presence marking ancient world. Inside, temperature perfect. Gravity gentle. Systems humming. Crew preparing for sleep. Tomorrow's EVA can wait. Tonight is for rest. Earned rest. Your breath. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Mercury's rotation. 58.646 Earth days. Mercury's age. 4.5 billion years. Surface beneath us undisturbed for 4 billion years until today. Tomorrow, it continues. Ancient world now touched by humanity. Briefly, gently, respectfully. Time flows at planetary pace. Mercury trilogy complete. Journey, landing, exploration. All successful. We walked on smallest planet, closest to sun, most extreme environment, least visited world, now explored, understood better, appreciated deeply. First chapter of Mercury's human story. Tomorrow's chapters wait for future explorers. Mercury keeps watch at sun's edge. Today, humans joined that watch briefly. Someday, humans will remain, mining ice, observing sun, anchoring human presence in innermost realm. Today was beginning, not ending. Mercury's future opens. Nothing in solar system beyond human reach, given proper preparation. Mercury seemed impossible. Solar intensity, thermal extremes, delta V requirements. But mathematics and engineering made it possible. Patience made it real. Today we walked here. Tomorrow we reach farther. Landing crew securing final systems. Preparing for sleep in 0.38 G. Outside, Mercury waits. Patient, ancient, unchanging. Inside, warmth, safety, comfort, peace. Sleep comes gently. Small planet holds vast lessons. Innermost world reveals cosmic secrets. Extreme surface welcomes prepared explorers. Mercury is not hostile, just challenging. And humans excel at challenges. Tonight we rest. Satisfied, successful, mission complete. stars visible through viewport. Sun setting slowly over eternal horizon. Shadows lengthening across regolith. Boot prints marking our passage. Ice safely stored. Data recorded. Samples secured. Crew resting. All is well. Peace on Mercury. Mercury rotation continues. 0.09 degrees per hour. Imperceptible moment to moment. Obvious across days. Planetary patience. We synchronize. Breathing slows. Thoughts quiet. Rest deepens. Mercury's rhythm becomes our rhythm. Mission success brings profound peace. Goals achieved. Objectives exceeded. Crew safe. Engineering flawless. Science productive. Exploration complete. Return journey planned. For now, rest. Earned. Deserved. Perfect rest. Floating gently in 0.38 G. Not weightless. Not full weight. Goldilocks gravity. Perfect for sleep. Body supported. Muscles relaxed. Breathing easy. Comfort complete. Gentle Mercury pull. .5 years journey. Precise landing. Successful exploration. Trilogy complete. Arc resolved. Mercury explored. Humans walked innermost planet. History made. Rest earned. Sleep comes naturally. Outside, eternal near sunset continues. Sun circling horizon slowly. Inside, peace. Warmth. Safety. Quiet. Stillness. Comfort. Rest. Sleep. Perfect Mercury night. Ancient world beneath us. 4 billion years waiting. Today briefly explored. Tomorrow continues. But tonight, rest. Deep rest. Peaceful rest. Satisfied rest. Mercury cradles explorers. events outside remain. Millions of years they will persist. Evidence humans reached here. First steps, not last. Beginning, not end. Mercury's human story starts today. Future chapters wait. Breath slows. Heart rate calms. Muscles release. Thoughts drift. Awareness fades. Sleep approaches. Gentle. Natural. Welcome. Rest on Mercury. Mission complete. Crew safe. Samples secured. Data recorded. Ice cored. Surface explored. Success achieved. Rest earned. Sleep now. Smallest planet. Greatest achievement. Mercury explored. Humans present. Dreams realized. Rest comes. Peace settles. Sleep deepens. Stars watching. Sun circling slowly. Mercury rotating. Crew resting. Systems humming. All peaceful. All safe. Perfect stillness. Innermost planet. Furthest journey. Greatest success. Deepest rest. Complete peace. Mercury night. Sleep arrives. Floating gently, breathing softly, resting deeply, sleeping peacefully. Mercury cradles, Sun watches. All is well. ancient world, modern explorers, timeless peace, eternal rest, Mercury night. Sleep now. Journey complete. Landing successful. Exploration achieved. Rest earned. Sleep comes. Mercury, peace. Breath deepens. Awareness fades. Sleep arrives. Gentle. Complete. Rest now. Mercury night. Perfect peace. Deep rest. Complete sleep. All well. Stars above, Mercury below, humans resting, peace complete, sleep now. Smallest planet, deepest rest, complete peace, perfect sleep, Mercury night. Breathing slows, sleep deepens, peace settles, rest complete, all well. Mercury holds you gently, safely, peacefully. Sleep now. Floating, resting, sleeping, peacefully, complete. Ancient world, peaceful night, deep sleep. Rest now. Mercury peace. Stars watch. Mercury rests. Humans sleep. All peaceful, complete. Innermost planet, deepest peace, perfect rest. Sleep now, all well. Gentle gravity, perfect comfort, complete rest, deep sleep, peace. Mission complete. Rest earned. Sleep comes. Peaceful. Complete. Mercury night. Perfect stillness. Deep rest. Sleep now. Peace. Breathing, resting, sleeping, peacefully, complete. Stars, Mercury, sleep, peace, rest. Smallest world, greatest peace, deep sleep. Complete. Now. Ancient, peaceful, resting, sleep. Mercury. Floating gently, sleeping deeply. Complete peace. Rest now. Mercury cradles, stars watch, sleep comes, peace. Innermost rest, deepest peace, perfect sleep. Now. Breathing softly, resting completely, sleeping peacefully. Mercury night. Journey complete, rest earned. Sleep now, peace. Mercury. Sleep. Peace. Rest. Ancient world. Peaceful sleep. Complete rest. Now. Stars watching. Mercury resting. Sleep deepens. Peace. Smallest planet. Deepest sleep. Perfect peace. Complete. Gentle pull. Complete rest. Deep sleep. Mercury. Innermost. Peaceful. Resting. Sleep. Mercury night. Complete peace. Deep rest. Now. floating, sleeping, peacefully, complete. Rest now. Sleep deeply. Mercury peace. Complete. Ancient world. Perfect rest. Deep sleep. Peace. Stars. Sleep. Peace. Mercury. Innermost peace. Deepest rest. Complete sleep. Now. Mercury holds you, gently sleeping, completely peaceful. Rest. Breathing, resting, sleeping, peace. Smallest world, greatest peace, perfect rest, sleep. Mercury night, deep sleep, complete peace. Now.